Let's continue with the second part of 10 evolving technologies from last week's video. But before we do, subscribe and like this video. Number 5. Edge computing. Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that brings data processing and computation closer to the data source or edge of the network, rather than relying solely on centralized cloud-based servers. In edge computing, data processing occurs locally on devices or within data centers located closer to where data is generated, which offers several advantages. Edge computing is particularly relevant in the context of the Internet of Things and Industry 4.0, where a vast number of connected devices generate massive amounts of data that require rapid processing. It enables the deployment of smart sensors, edge servers, and gateways to process and filter data at or near the source. Number 4. SelfHealing Concrete. SelfHealing concrete is an innovative material designed to repair cracks and damage autonomously without the need for human intervention. It has the potential to significantly extend the lifespan of concrete structures, reduce maintenance costs, and enhance durability. Research and development in the field of self-healing concrete are ongoing, with scientists and engineers continually exploring new formulations, technologies, and methods to enhance its effectiveness and commercial viability. While self-healing concrete holds great promise, it may not completely eliminate the need for maintenance and repair in all situations, but it can significantly reduce the frequency and extent of such interventions. Number 3. Hydrogen fuel cell. A hydrogen fuel cell is an electrochemical device that generates electricity by combining hydrogen and oxygen in a chemical reaction, with water as the main byproduct. It operates similarly to a battery, but with a continuous supply of fuel, hydrogen, and oxygen from the air. However, challenges remain, such as the production, storage, and transportation of hydrogen, as well as the development of a hydrogen infrastructure. Despite these challenges, hydrogen fuel cells have the potential to play a significant role in the transition to a more sustainable and clean energy future. Number 2. Man-made stars changing sky. The man-made stars changing the sky likely refers to artificial satellites that orbit the Earth and can sometimes be visible from the ground, especially during dawn or dusk when they reflect sunlight. These satellites appear as moving points of light across the night sky. The presence of artificial satellites in the night sky is a testament to human achievement in space exploration and technology. It is a reminder of our ongoing presence in space and our ability to use space for various purposes. Number 1. GPT3 Powers. GPT-3, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It possesses several remarkable capabilities and powers. GPT-3 has the ability to understand and generate human-like text in multiple languages. It can comprehend a wide range of topics and contexts, making it useful for various natural language understanding tasks. GPT-3's versatility and language capabilities have made it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications, from content generation and natural language understanding to chatbots and educational tools. However, it's essential to use GPT-3 responsibly and consider ethical implications, as it can also generate misleading or biased information if not properly guided and supervised. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.